Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam Snowman candle holders. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need some diamond wrap, and this is regular diamond wrap. And I also have some of the floral diamond wrap. I picked both of these up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, event decor, lighting, centerpiece decor, and so much more. They have provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita, all one word, just like the channel name. And you can use that coupon code to save yourself 15% on orders with Efavormart. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom coupon code and custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check that out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree is you can either use the champagne flutes. You're going to need the base, so you're going to need 4 of these. And you can either use the champagne flutes that have the silver base, or you can use the the plate card holders that have the silver base. Either one of these will work because they're both interchangeable, as you can see. It's just the same base, just like that. But you will need 4 of those. You're also going to need 4 napkin rings. And these are the silver napkin rings from Dollar Tree. So you'll need 4 of those. And you can either use 4 Christmas ornaments or you can use 6 Christmas ornaments, depending on how many segments you want your snowman to have. So I'm going to be doing 6 ornaments. I have got some loose gemstones here. These are from Walmart. I have got some peel and stick gemstones, and they are from Walmart as well. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I am going to be using hot glue for my project. If you would like to make this permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will work to make it permanent. These are the items that we need to create the candle holders, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't these candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Okay, you guys, there you have it. Another super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam decor videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.